Today you're going to learn this song stripped back, unplugged on acoustic guitar. Hey there budding Campfire guitar heroes, it's Dean again, bringing you those forgotten songs we all love to remember. Welcome to another episode from my quirky and cool English song series, where I've recently brought you these songs. Well, today I get all sad and emotional with a truly beautiful song from British, Scottish rock pop star Rod Stewart. And do stick around where I reveal a few interesting facts about Rod Stewart and this particular song and its connection to another great rock star from the 60s and 70s, Neil Young. So when we think of Rod Stewart, we think of his husky voice, his gaudy dress sense, and his unique and impeccable taste in women. His personal resume includes 3 marriages, 2 divorces, 8 children from 5 different women, a host of mansions all around the world, and a stable full of amazing Ferrari cars. Despite this outrageous facade, behind that is an incredibly talented artist. He sold over 120 million albums, which ranks him number 17 on Billboard's all-time best-selling artists list. He's a Grammy Award winner and a US and UK Rock and Roll Hall of Famer. And interestingly, he's also credited with staging the world's largest ever free concert, where he played to 3.5 million people on Copacabana Beach, Rio de Janeiro, back in 1994. Now, I don't want to talk about it as a truly beautiful song written by Danny Whitten, who is the lead singer for Crazy Horse, the band better known for having a band member called Neil Young. It was first released by the band in 1971 to very little success or fanfare. It was covered by a few artists soon after, and in 1977 Rod Stewart covered it, and it shot to the UK #1, putting the song on the map forever. And Rod Stewart's version is the one I remember fondly because his albums were on super high rotation in my household when I was growing up as a kid. Thanks, Mum. My favourite line in the song is the opening line, where it immediately invokes the emotion and feeling about the song. I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. Look, Rod's version of the song is known for its finger-picking guitar all the way through, but I find that's pretty tricky for beginner guitarists, so I play the beautifully strummed version, and I think it actually does the song just as much justice. And at Campfire Guitar, this song is all about not just yourself playing the song, but getting others involved to sing. And trust me, this is a song everyone loves to sing along to. So with that said, I'm about to teach you I Don't Want to Talk About It by Rod Stewart, and I'm going to play it my way at the end with a full song playthrough. Random YouTube fact. Did you know that my videos only get a like ratio of 1 per every 10 views? So if you've made it this far, please let that notoriously cranky YouTube algorithm know that you liked the video by giving me a thumbs up. And the best part is, liking is free. In fact, I'll do a deal for you. If you help me get to a greater than 50% like to view ratio, I'm going to teach you how to play the song, and I'm going to do it right now. Okay, let's make a start on the song now. Firstly, I play it on with a capo on the 3rd fret, and I play it on the key of D. The original song is B flat, but I play it on the key of D because I think the chords are easier to play. So the chords are D, E minor, A G, and a B minor. And sometimes I do the G as a bar chord G, and I do the A as a bar chord A. Now what I suggest you do is download the free song sheet from a Patreon page, all the details below, and that helps you as you practice. You've got the chords, you've got the lyrics in front of you, and that'll help you as you practice this song. So let's get into it now. And remember folks, I'm a left-handed guitarist playing on a right-hand strung guitar, so my finger patterns may appear upside down to some of you. Don't let that worry you because I'll put the chord patterns on the screen there. Everything's fine. Okay, the verse starts on, as I said, the key of D, and it launches straight into the E minor. I'll just do a quick demo for you now. I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. D, E minor, and the stars in the sky, A, mean nothing to you, they back to that D. And that's the whole verse, and it launches straight into the chorus. Let's do the chorus now. I don't wanna talk about it, how you broke my heart. If I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Whoa, my heart. And there is the entire song. Verse, chorus, verse, chorus. That's the whole song. There's no bridge in the song. There's an instrumental, but when you're doing Campfire guitar, pretty much you just want to keep doing the verse and the chorus. Right, I'll just quickly break down the strumming pattern for you. It's basically this. It's a down, block, down, up, down, block. 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 And of course the block is when I'm down strumming and I'm palm muting at the same time. As you'll see in my playthrough, which is coming up shortly, I just personalised the song a bit with a few hammer-ons and a few variants, particularly around the D chord. I do the D sus2 and you'll hear it here. E minor, E minor 7, A7,